T equals to n log L plus P by MA.
M to the base A, right?
Ah,
Okay, very good, very good. Uh, this one change to logarithmic form. You'll do 11e, 11e.
I'll, I'll do so.
Basically, you have to remove the power. That's it.
Log 3 minus x base E by 2.
Base E by 2 equal to T. Wonderful, wonderful. Then this is also same. Okay, 11e we have done, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you do this one. Change to exponential form, one of this. Okay, 13d.
13D. Sir, I'm not getting this, sir.
Which one? 13?
Yes, sir.
13e,
D,
no?
D, D, D.
13d. Okay, okay. So ln w is 4 plus 3x, right?
Yes, sir.
That means simple, no? E power 4 plus 3x equal to w. We are changing to exponential form.
Oh,
There is e power of entire thing is equal to w. For example, what is here? 10 power of 50 is equal to x, right?
I got it, sir. I got it.
10 power 50 is x. What is this one? This is 10 power 20t is equal to x. What is this one? Okay, 13, so you tell me. 13, see how will we write?
Yes, sir. I'm doing so.
E power
0.1.
e power 0.1 is equal to x, right? Similarly, this one 14, let's say 14c.
Okay, sir. X equals to E half. E power
E
half.
power e
Root
power half, right?
half.
E power half, very good. Now do this 15a. 5 power something is equal to 1. What is that something, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that something?
I'm not getting, sir. That
5 power
something.
0 is what?
1.
That's it, right? How can you miss this? This is so easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, b.
1.
Very good, c.
Not getting, sir. 4 power
4
something.
power what is minus 2? Whatever you do, you cannot get minus 2, no?
Yes, sir.
4 power whatever you do, see, 4 power 0 is what? 1, right? And 4 power, even if you take any minus also, what is 4 power minus 1?
Point 4.
Point 4. No, no, no. What is 4 power minus 1?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
1 by 4.
Right. 1 by 4, right? 4 power minus 4 is 1 by 4 power plus 4 power minus 1 is 1 by 4 power plus 1, right? Which is nothing but 0.25, right? So 4 power whatever you take, you will never get negative number, right?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, Amma? So any number, so that's why logarithm can never be negative. So when a logarithm is not defined for negative numbers. Okay, okay, Nama.
Yes, sir.
Logarithm is never defined for negative numbers. Next one, D. D is very easy. Just by looking at it, you should tell.
2.
Very good. E. Just by looking at it, you should tell.
No, sir. Not getting.
Hmm.
Not getting, sir.
Okay, it is directly equal to 8. So what is log 8 to the base 3? Log 8 to the base 3 means you are raising that to something, you are raising 3 to something to get 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are raising 3 to the same thing, so you should get 8, no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
You understood? It's the same thing, no? So for example, okay, let's simplify this. 2 power log 4 to the base 2. What does that mean? What does this mean? Log 4 to base 2. Log 4 to base 2 means you are raising
2.
2 to something, right?
2
So what
equals
does that
2.
mean? 2 power x is equal to 4, right? So what is this x? X is again 2, right? This
Yes,
2
sir.
you are putting it here, right? 2 power 2 now, which is equal to 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
2 power 2 is equal to 4. Log 4 to the base 2 is actually 2. Now 2 power 2 is actually 4. So whatever you are raising, that power, whatever you have to raise, that power you are putting it here only, right?
Yes, sir.
A power log A, here B, which is equal to, this should be equal to B. Right, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one.
3.
That is 3. Okay, G.
4 to the power minus 2.
No, no. So, okay, 1 by 16 is what? 1 by 4
Minus
square.
2.
That is 4 power minus 2. Now, what is the final answer then? It should be minus 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. G, it should be minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay. So, see, for example, y equals log x to the base a, right? What does that mean?
Yes.
X equals to a power y, right? That means x equal to a power y only, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of y, what we are doing? We are putting again this one log x to the base a, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So that's why here, if this number and this number are matching, it should be 8, right? If this number are matching, then it should be 8. It should be x, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood the difference? No, you understood how this happened, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You explain again. Now you tell me the proof.
X equals to a to the power y.
X equals to a to the power y, right? Very good.
Instead of keeping y, we are keeping
We are keeping
log
same thing,
x
log x to the
to
base
base
a.
a.
Very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is like this. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here what? This one is very easy. I think these are all very easy. Okay, you should quickly tell. Fatafat. 16 also.
0.
16 0. Very good. 16b.
1.
Very good. 16c.
0.
What? Put 0,
3.
no? 540 is what?
1.
That is not possible, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not getting it, sir.
Okay. So, I'll show you one nice graph. Okay. This graph, one second. Okay. Okay. So, let me show you some graphs. Okay. I'm just projecting. I'll project you some other screen. Okay. Okay. Can you see the screen? Here, I have drawn these two graphs. The green one is 2 power x. The red one is 3 power x. Okay. Right. So, for example, 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 is also 1. 2 power 1 is
Yes.
2. Right. Understood. 2
Yes, sir.
power 1. 2. So, here, x-axis is this one, 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. I will show you the grid also. Okay. So 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. Right? Like this. Similarly, 3 power 1 is what? 3. 3 square is what? 9. 3 cube is 27. It is very high. Okay. Now, this graph, 2 power minus 1. What is 2 power minus 1? 1 by 2, right? Right. 2 power minus 1. See this. What is 2 power
Yes, sir.
minus 1?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, which is half. 3 power minus 1 is what? 1 by 3. Right?
Yes.
2 power minus 2 is what?
1 by 8.
1 by 2 square, right? 1
Yes,
by
sir.
2 square, which is 1 by 4, which is 0.25, right? So now you go as negative as possible. When x is as negative, even smaller and smaller, 2 power x will become smaller and smaller, but it will never become 0. Okay, if you keep zooming in, right? This will keep
Yes, sir.
approaching 0. It will never be 0. Right? For example, 2 power minus 100 is equal to 1 by 2 power 100. Right? But that is not 0. That is still greater than 0. Right? Agreed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
2 power minus 1000, that is also 1 by 2 power 1000. That will still not be 0, right? What is 0? 1 by
Yes.
infinity. But infinity is not a number, right? As long as you are putting x some value, minus 100, minus 1000, minus 10,000, it doesn't matter. But it will still approach 0, right? So now that's why this number will never approach 0. Sorry, this number will never become 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Just remember this: 2 power x, 3 power x, any a power x. Even if you do, okay, as long as this 2, 3, 4, these are all positive numbers, no? Then whatever to the power that they are raised, they will never become 0. Okay, Amma? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us do the reverse of this. Log 2. This is log x. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, can you see this? This is log x to the base 2. This is exactly, this is exact, if this is the inverse of this function. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what does that mean? What does that mean? When x is 1, y is 2 here, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, when x is 2, y is 1. Exactly the reverse. Okay, when x is 2, y is 4. Okay, here, when x is 4, y is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? When x
Yes,
is
sir.
3, y is 8. Okay, when x is 8, y is 3. This is actually mirror image with respect to this line. Okay, if there is a mirror here, right? If there is a mirror here, then this and this are mirror images, right? They are looking like mirror images only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what? This is log x to the base 2, this one. Okay, and this is what? 2 power x, right? These are both are related. How they are related? One is inverse of the other, right? Okay, right. If 2 power x someone has given as 4, right? And you want to find out what is x, then what you will do? You will take 4 here, right? And take 4 here and apply it here, you will get 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If someone has given this value is, let's say, 4 here on this graph. Okay, on this graph of 2 power x. Okay, on this graph of 2 power x, someone has given this value 4. You want to find out what is this value 2. What you will do? You will take in this graph, you will take 4 and you will find out 2. Agreed? That is inverse.
Okay, sir.
Advaita?
Yes, sir.
So what does that mean? If 2 power something is equal to 5. Okay, 2 power something is actually equal to 5. Let's say. So what does
Okay.
that mean? Log 5 to the base is that number. Right? This is log x, no? You want to find out that number. 2 power something is equal to 5. You want to find out what is this number, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this number? Then what you will do? This is something like 2.3 something, no? Right. What you will do? You will go to 5 here because what that is what you want to find. Log 5 you will find with respect to 2. Right, guy? Right, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's get back to our problems. You can see the screen. You can still see the screen only. One second, one second. Let me just project our problem sheet again.